April ni somni pani sang ni somni paruk ani Iran lampang chuan in Lawng pathum an bei ve tlat mai ni Strait of Hormuz a hian Trumpan inkahhai apuan kha a extend boka hi Pakistan in a min request wang atia heng song hi kan react chan main hi kan en ho lokang
St Anthony's Higher Secondary School chuan kum sang ni somni paruka tanga sang ni somni pasari academic sessionatan class 11 arts admission kan hongle ta e kan zirlai te talent ho chuanan co-curricular activities strong school sport field trip picnic excursion teachers day le adang te ro pui takaman pui thinan ni experienced teacher ten pathian thune na no pangan zirtirna le an kai hloina skula hian admission rontivero le
Yes, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School hi phone number kan ron talan a hianin admission in lo ti ve nge don ani o ole tuna zonin kan react chanang
UK maritime officials say the first ship came under fire just northeast of Oman
hi tayo na omta chuan helai dot pathum an tarla na hian heta hianin Iran lampangin Lawng pathum an lo bei ve tlat mai ani tlat mai na.
The second ship was hit about 8 miles west of Iran. Iran says it has now seized both of those vessels.
Iran lampang hianin Lawng pani hi an man ve tlat mai ani hetiangan bei nu hian mo a pui do ne Iran lampang hian an block a US lampangin an block boka US ina an block anti hianin kaltlang phalchin chu an nei ni na hriat ani amaro chu kha Iran ngai dan kha ni big lo tlat.
And there's reportedly a third ship that's now stranded off the Iranian coast.
Now, this just hours after President Trump granted an indefinite extension to the U.S.-Iran ceasefire.
Tugin zing lang hanin ka hai empon khan extend ni ti ka Trump khan ron soya kha zing lang han riak ka chak khop me maro chu voin QCI inspection kan ya quality control of India he karon ho harda chan kala in thak lo ron riak ngal mo an nei rei lu to ka chuan kan ban na ring ni lo ne ron riak ngala tugin zing lampang hanin khatiang hanin Trump han ron puang kha Pakistan lampang in min request wanga tia heta hianin engtiang a rei nge inkahhai puan hi a extend hi a soi chuang lo ani Trump na a soi bera chuanin Iran sipai hroi tu te le an politics an sarkar lama an hroi tu te hi an thu in mu thei lowa an mani hi ting hen lo in be phot se an mani atanga enge thu mum khal thatok tak pakhat mo khatianga thil ni nei noi lo deuh kha khatiang thu mu mal tak kan dong thei ani chuanin Pakistan lama in biak tepo kan tumanga inkahhai puan tepo deadline tepo kan fix le mana ting zo khanin Trump pakhani na ron puang ta ani omje chu tunai hianin hemi inkahhai puan hi tiam chin nom lawin tunai hianin ala extend ri ani Trump hian.
The president says this was done at the request of Pakistan.
Pakistan in a request of agin
in order to give Tehran's fractured leadership more time to, quote, come up with a unified proposal.
And Matt Finn is reporting.
Pakistan request of angin hanti pa khan mo thil pakhat ka soile do chu Pakistan lampang hianin an mani airspace hi India thlo theina te man an la phal sak lo ani tuna hian khami man an phal sak lo na kha an extend le towa achan chu nikum tunang huna khan nge thlengan ti chuanin Pahalgam terror attack Pakistan hel khoi howina khata rap thak tak an che na kha ka chela pa ka riak na sa in le shewin ka ring khami kha kum khat atling to ni in alanga chu Prime Minister Modi apo han thuron so khami kha Pakistan ha ron soi langa hei fel o mang deu khovel ta na thok tha o mang deu hianin Trump pathe hianin an ron mangve thin na kha Indian ho ta ne ro chuanin Pakistani ho chu ngan sarkar te hi chu an ro puilu tuklem lawani ti kha kan soi lang vele du shim
live from Islamabad, Pakistan this morning. Hey Matt.
Hey tlangwal me ta lo le ta.
Hey, Bill, the UK Maritime Trade Operations reports 2 ships were attacked today, and there's reportedly a third. And this all comes after that extended ceasefire last night.
Lawng pathum kha Iran lampangin an beya amaro chu pahni kha an mana pakhat ero kha chu tiang hanin aum ve top ni na lang ani.
UK reports that first attack happened on a container ship around 4 a.m. local time, 15 nautical.
India khati an mani local time anga chuanin jingdar li vela Iran lampang hian an lo be ani zan lama heng long te hi kaltang an lo tum ni nge na lang amaro chu Iran lampang hian an lo be tlat
miles northeast of Oman. The UK says an IRGC gunboat caused heavy damage to the ship's bridge.
IRGC Iran sipai te gunboat long te reu te speed sang deu anti ang chi kha khang kha ta hanin IRGC sipai te kha an chuanga khang te khanin silai te rocket mountain an be ani arino mani.
About 2.5 hours later, the
tizonin darkar ni le achan ve nuwa tiang hianin along panina an beile ni amje chu amma saber kha jingdar li an be adot lemi kha jingdar ruk le chan ve
Second cargo ship was fired at off the coast of Iran. The ship has stopped in the water. No reported damage to that vessel. Now, Iranian state media claims Iran attacked a third ship and has seized
khami baka khanin Iran state media chonin long pathum nakha an beile an tia
two of these vessels.
Panian
Fox's
man.
Lauren Simonetti reports these types of attacks are paralyzing movement on the Strait of Hormuz, with just one ship passing yesterday and today. Now, these
nimin level na khanin a totalin long pakhatchi in Strait of Hormuz kal tangani
repeated attacks come in the midst of an extended ceasefire between the U.S. and Iran. President Trump yesterday announced the U.S. will lengthen the 2-week ceasefire that expired earlier today and will wait.
voina an ka hayan puang kha atopa hamaro chu Trumpan tiang khanin tiamchin nom lawin tiang han ron extend le ta
For the powers that be in Iran to put together a peace proposal. Now, regarding the Strait, the president writing, Iran is collapsing financially. They want the Strait of Hormuz opened immediately, starving for cash, losing $500 million a day. Military and police complaining that they are not getting paid. SOS.
Hey Trump na ron po sa ni Iran hi an economy chene to le maya Strait of Hormuz si arang thei ang bera honan du ani a chan chu poisa an nei to lo lu to ka ni tinin $500 million si an chan anga ngai ania an sipai tele an police te chuanin lo an lak lo awangin enge an lung oilo na sa to le ani atiang zo hanin Trump pa hian ni na ron soi sa kan Iran hoi mo.
Now, here in Pakistan, Islamabad was heavily prepared for peace talks that were expected to be happening today. Now, security seems to be loosening a bit.
Pakistan lampang tano import sa nasakop may US le Iran tenin bele do na mo antia Pakistan so man so security te kan lo ti tai man lutu kani amaro chu Iran lampang khanin tir kha an tum ve lem si lawan ram IO tur kha JD event sa te hanen rin to te renen so man so atira security tai deu po khating hianin temin an lo relax le deu ni na la ni.
Some public transit has reopened, and it appears some roadblocks are coming down.
Kong an dan chen khat te po te han hong le ni.
Pakistan's government and President Trump have seemingly left open the possibility of peace talks still happening here at some point. One thing is clear, Pakistan is certainly hoping that President Trump makes his way here sometime soon. We will keep you updated from on the ground here in Islamabad. Bill.
Pakistan lampang chuan in Trump hi Pakistan sarkar lampang chuan in Trump hianin an mani ram ron tlo an ron kal ngei kha khami kha rin na lian tak be sei na lian tak an la nei ani tu na hian a chan chu Pakistan sarkar lampang pok hianin hemi US le Iran te in biak na hi a thlen ngei an la ring ani.
Dana.
All right, Matt Finn live on the ground in Pakistan. Matt.
And former CENTCOM spokesman Joe Bacino joins us now. Joe, listen to President Trump yesterday. He was on CNBC and he was talking about the complications that he's facing after the leaders of Iran got taken out.
Iran ram soi tu te an tha nuwa an Trump an har san na buai na an ti do me kha ting ji kha tok ne ne chu Trump hian na soi do na ni.
We've taken out their leaders, frankly, which does complicate things in one way, but these leaders are much more rational. It is regime change, no matter what you want to call it, which is not something I said I was going to do, but I've done it, indirectly maybe, but I've done it.
Hi Trump say dan chuanin an soi tu tam tak kan thata he thil hianin zeblo chuanin thil ti boi thak ve khop mai ani amaro chu tuna an ram soi tu tharte hi ama ai kha chuanin an pa ngai zo ka an ziom zo ka indu chuanin indu du danin soiula amaro chu regime change chu kan thlen chiang ani ati ve ani.
And then Iran's foreign minister, the new guy, he said that blockading Iranian ports is an act of war and thus a violation of the ceasefire. Striking a commercial vessel and taking its crew hostage is an even greater violation. Iran knows how to neutralize restrictions, how to defend its interests, and how to resist bullying.
Hemi Abbas Arakchi hi hepa hi Iran foreign minister hi Israel lampang khanin tha an tumani thokhat lai khan mo mara chu Pakistan lampang khanin United States te an varsilat chuanin United States ten Israel te kha that lo turin an thrilani akan soi vele mai du chu Israel spy agency Mossad te hianin hey mi enge assassination kan ti ang chi hi mo mission an carrier ta ka tianga an ram mel ma nga an ngai an tha kha tiang thi na thlen tu tamber te jinga mi kha an ni ve tlet mai ni Mossad hi Eponi se aragi hian in soidan chuanin Iranian longchol na hmun te hetianga lo dan vel hi hi inkahhai an puan bo chiat na le indo puan na thluk ania tin Lawng China atanga ron kalte le kha Lawng a staff ho te khang lo lak te Lawng lo be te hang teng te kha bo chiat na lian tak inkahhai an puan bo chiat na lian tak ani ati ni Iran chonin thil ti dan tur kan hre a le hetianga US ina an du min control an tum be le dan do le dan he kan hre ani tin X Twitter ni thin X hanin a post ta ani.
Do you think they were trying to show that with what they did overnight in the Strait?
I do, Dana. I think that it demonstrates they're not ready. Iran is not ready to negotiate, and they may not even be in a position to negotiate. They may not.
Hepa ida jonin Iran hi US ne na indoor le turin tu hen an le ring ri lo ti ni.
Not have the consolidation of power across the parliament, the IRGC, and the mullahs to get into some kind of negotiation. I'm also not sure that President Trump is 100% accurate in saying that these new leaders are more rational.
Iran troi tu te hi tu na jonin US ne na hanin dor le tur hen an le ring chi lo ni in ka hria ti jonin Trump thu soi pakhat dik ka ti chi lo chu tuna Iran ram soi tu thar te hi ama ai te kha chonin an ziom zok ti hi ke chonin adik pum hlum ka ti chi lo wa atia India hi Trump an eng ang ril rupuin nge a soyang ti chu ka hre thiam lo ma ro chu heta CENTCOM lo soi ve to thin tu Central Command Middle East lampang lo soi ve to thin tu ina angai dan a soi ani a thil chu hre ve viawang he pa po hian.
I think Mushtaba Khomeini, Vahidi, the new IRGC commander, these are hardliners. They may not be as rational as we're thinking they are.
There's been so much focus on maintaining this American blockade to try to choke out the Iranian economy. At the same time, there have been a few isolated reports that here and there have been some Iranian ships that have successfully gotten through that blockade. Can you talk about just what kind of capabilities the American military has in that area to try to scan and find these ships that are trying to make a run on that blockade?
Tu na hianin US te chonin military blockade kha an thei angang khanin an tiveya amaro chu report chen khata tanga lan dan chonin Iran long then khat te hianin kha an bypass a an kaltang theitlet me ni ti report kha om veya chuanin hepa hianin tu na hianin United States te technology an theina angchi Strait of Hormuz a long ron kaltang tur te khami an dan theina power angchi kha ron soizau do na chona ron soizau ma kan soizau tir ma in tu na hianin ka hria thei china chonin United States ina hetenga military blockade an ti hnuai hianin long somni pariat lai chu hlotling takin an lo dang to ani.
Sure. Well, we've got more than 15 ships there. We've got more than 10,000 soldiers, and you've got sonar radar that's under the water. We've also got radar.
Tuin hnuai a thil chevel te po an en thavek theia tuna Strait of Hormuz US pai om te hian mo. So he ba ka hianin long som panga om ba ni tam khop mai US Navy long som panga chuanin sipai sin khat vel umboka ngai ania soidana hian
radar on the surface of the water, and we've got radar in the skies, and we've got satellites in low Earth orbit.
Satellite umboka chuanin van sang scan turin radar an nation
so we're scanning across every domain, we're watching across every domain, and we've got really cutting edge high tech capabilities that are imposing this blockade and securing the blockade and giving us eyes across everything in the Arabian Gulf.
United States lampang chuanin van lampang an scan char le hnuai kati tui hnuai lampang an scan char boka hetiang hianin technology nei thashim thrima ani tang hi chuanin khatianga long lo chhuap pal ver kha thil thei lutuk ni na rin om lo khatianga report lo pe te kha chu tlem chuanin arin tlak lo de lek in ka hre evidence om vak lowin ka hria chuanin US in an block sia nga tinge Strait of Hormuz a hianin Iranin khang long khan lo be ati zona te pokha om mai theya khang long an lo be na chan nia ka rin chu United States te na kaltang an phal Iran long chol na hmuna chol ve tur ni lo Strait of Hormuz kaltang tum amaro chu Iranin kaltang a lo phal lo awanga Iranina a lo be ta khang kha ani ka ring deu poni se Iran lampang hianin long pathum an be tin an report a pani hian manti ania hi Boruak ati hot chaudon riau tuna hianin ka haiponan extend zo le chi hetiang hianin Iran hi an chele nga la video line update le don ne